guy there, Trevor!
Guy? What guy?
Right there! Can you see him?
My vision is failing me.
This isn't a good... Good kill, Trevor.
You're walking like you shot yourself. Move!
Shit! I hear an engine! They're gonna see that guy you shot! Maybe if you shoot those lights on the tower, it won't be so obvious. It's all going off if they see that body.
There's one.
You got
The
him!
other.
Now don't shoot the guy in the van until he stops and gets out. On fire. We gotta see what he's up to. I think he's just calling the dead guy. You can erase him now. He's out. You can put him down. You should have seen the look on his face. There's a guy coming out of the control tower. Take him out. Shit. He's gonna see us.
And they all came tumbling down.
Oh no! Bottom of the tower. Another guy's on his way. He's down there, amongst the bodies. Clean shot, Trev. Another guy's coming out of the tower. Must be looking for the one you shot. He's seen the body! Take him out before he raises the alarm!
Woo! Down he goes.
Can you get your sights back on me? Come on, man! Please, just cover me!
You're in my crosshairs again. And there's no one left to kill, so get over to that gas tank and plant the bomb.
I'm on it, but there's a guy coming out of that building, I think. I can hear him. Someone's coming out the far door, man! Don't shoot! Spare me! Oh, don't, please! He found him! Take him out, or he'll trip the alarm! Good kill, Trevor! I'm fixing it! Don't let him sneak up on me, okay? And whatever you do, don't hit the tank. Please, man. I think someone's coming. Shit. A bolt from the blue. Can you hear that? Chopper, incoming!
Always hated that chopper. Just fucking drive. You're bikers.
The pilot plant didn't work, but they know they're being attacked.
You ain't going nowhere. Fucking punk! You're going
Plane's in the hangar, man! I'll get the engine running, if you can clear the runway. I don't see none of the guys who came to your trailer here!
One dead biker is as good to me as another. There! It'll all be over soon!
Fuckhead.
Ain't that healer? Protect the plane!
Fucking hell!
Hey, it's that creepy dude! He's going for the gun!
Cover!
I think I saw a man void his bows.
Happens to the best of us. Now start that plane. I'm hoping this change of management will be as painless as possible.
Protect the plane! Hey, it's that creepy dude! Hit it up!
guns must be on the plane down the end of the runway. Come on, let's go, let's go! Get me to that plane!
Bikers on the left of us!
Vamos, go! Let's go, Ronald! Get me to my plane, Ron! Come on, let's go!
They're on our left now!
Get me to that plane! Vamos, go! Yeah! This one's for you, permit job correct! Suppose there's room for a passenger?
Pull up! We gotta get off this runway!
The guy who's taking receipt of these guns is in a boat just off the coast.
Hey, there's a biker on your wing, Trevor!
I am aware of this.
Well, you gotta get him off! Do a roll or something!
While the man on my wing presents no immediate danger, I'll do my best to oblige you.
He's still there! Shit, Trevor! You can't get him off! You set up a buyer for these guns already? I thought we was just hitting back at him for the thing with the statue.
If you'd read our latest shareholder report, Ron, you'd know TP Enterprises has been exploring a takeover of some lost MC business in the armaments and narcotics sectors for some time. And that kinda requires someone to purchase our guns.
Right, of course. But Johnny K and the figurine?
Recent events, my impending departure included, have only expedited things.
Trevor Phillips Enterprises is a far superior organization to the Lost Leather Club.
Well, we hope we improve revenue streams, cut overheads, and maximize profit, all that.
I wouldn't expect anything less.
For one thing, we won't be paying a bunch of idiots to stand around in cowhide sniffing engine fumes.
It's important work you're doing out here. God knows, we need a sharp mind running things. I am blessed to be a part of it. I see a signal. You think that's your guy?
It better be. Drop your load.
Fort Zancudo coming up. If we fly low, we ain't gonna show up on military radar.
Shipment successfully delivered, Ron. Now remember, if you beat me to the airstrip, I'll butcher your carcass and wrap you in cheesecloth.
We're gonna make some coin from that hardware, boss.
TP Enterprises are raising guidance, and the Lost MC are posting unexpectedly soft projections for the coming quarter.
They're getting everything that's coming to them.
A vast criminal conspiracy like the Lost MC shouldn't let a goon like Johnny K represent them.
He was a man past his prime. I heard he used to be serious.
Few hard stamps to the head knocked the seriousness right out of him.
Sure did. But before that, I mean, back in Alderney.
Man was weak for Crystal, weak for Ashley, man was weak. Shouldn't have spoken to me like that.
He shouldn't have. He was a fool, and you corrected him.
He'll not do that again.
Keep low, over the swamp, boss. So the guns are going to Mexico?
Mexico! Yep. Guy in the boat is Oscar Guzman. He's in with the cartels.
If there's a market, this could be a way to expand the business.
Like I hadn't thought of that. We might be able to buy into Oscar's thing, but leave that to me, Ron.
I'm sorry to ask this, but does your contact pay well for this kind of shipment? Because I've got those lawyer fees for the divorce and my settlement costs.
Oh, he pays. Better than any in this sorry country.
That's good to hear, man.
We'll talk about the exact split when we're grounded, okay?
All right, T. You see, Trevor? You won. You're the better man. As if there was any